Ah, fuck!
Fucking order form.
Fucking order form.
Go shop and buy one.
My friend got one of those VR gear headsets for Samsung.
Yeah.
He says it's alright apart from like in the peripheral vision it gives you like red and green like blurry like stuff. That's weird shit.
Yeah, my dad got.
Has he levelled the eyes out right?
For DPI. Damage per minute? No, it was not DPI. DPI. So we got that done. That's in ours. So if I do that, no, that one, no. The fuck, that one. We've got that. Yeah, we got that. Exactly the same as this.
Yeah.
So what's this one?
SAS are in Manchester, right?
Yeah, they were in yesterday.
Only because of Al Shabaab, isn't it?
I should have better move. I should have better. Query line total tom. So what's this query then? Query line total query. What table's that though? There isn't a fucking query line total. What the fuck?
Is that yours though?
No, that's his. Like, it doesn't have the table.
No, but what's he actually querying?
Put a little firecracker in it. Woo!
Just punch holes in it so it's leaking.
Yeah. It hits him and he goes,
Alright.
oh my god, I'm going to be so tired tonight.
Your audacity is going to be great.
What? What there? Yeah, my audio.
Us in the mood.
Where the fuck is this? Query, sum of, oh.
What?
Sum of, so it's, I don't even know how he's done this. This is confusing me. Got some college.
Lovely.
Just bumped it into the mic as well. Just gonna be a random.
Right.
Oh god.
Come on. Come on. Stop. Don't shit bother ya.
What are you poking me with? Oh my fucking. No, it's not bothering me. It's just this order form is getting on my
Tits.
tits. It's getting on my titties. Okay, let's have a look at the main relationships in ours, and then so it'll be someone's won something. That goes that way, and then it goes products, order products, then order, then stop winning stuff. That's better. Yeah, because on our orders we've got customers as well coming in.
Have they then?
No, but it wouldn't matter because we're doing a query just with
Just that.
that, and that, like that one.
Yeah.
So it's like flip round, but it shouldn't matter because it's. But instead of just one person, we got for customer and then employee. Or do we? Yeah. So.
Is lethal. Okay, and with this system, the weakness, you can only do one thing at a time. You can only sell one product to one person, one transaction. Okay, now we've dealt with that one. The next system I'd like to show you
Using OBS.
allows you to do multiple
Is that what that does?
products in
Mhm.
order.
Like
So you'll notice on our
screen of a
relationships,
screen of a
we
screen.
have 4 tables. Okay, we have split that order table. One side looks up the person, and this is a foreign key. On the other side, the product key becomes part of a new composite key, and this is your order product. And this is in effect what makes your product live. So if I look at these tables inside here, this is the one that's new. You can see that you've got your lookup to the order, your lookup to the product, and your quantity sold. Now, working out the line total and the grand total will be subject to later videos. I like to keep these things short. If I open up the order form, which has a subform associated with it.
Oh, okay, that's why I'm getting confused.
Because it's got subform associated with it.
Ah, fuck's sake.
You'll see that when I make an order, I can have multiple products,
Have you got
okay,
it
in
now?
one transaction.
Yeah.
So if I go make a new order, you can see
Well,
that I can sell.
earlier.
Yeah.
It's got two
Forms.
forms, not
So
just
it'll
one.
be the customer order form,
and
and then we'll do another form.
which is a subform of that order.
Yeah.
Form.
What is of
Order
the
product.
order product?
Right.
Fuck my life. Fuck my life. So design.
Customer order form. Right, I need to get rid of this then, don't I?
Give it a what?
Order form details subform.
Yeah.
Design view.
These products, I can enter a quantity.
Looks like you just gone for a run.
Because I got stuck in traffic in a car on the greenhouse.
Delete. Right. So I've got customer order form.
Yep. What with everything in?
No.
Oh, was it blank?
Close.
Yeah. No. No. Delete the order form.
This one.
Yes. Wait, what was on? Because the customer order form gets it from the order form no, it doesn't. Where does this get its stuff from then? Add existing
What,
fields.
Can't design. Can't save design changes or. Hey, whatever.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's getting it from orders table, so you have to do a
Hang on, no, 'cause
form.
I've got two open.
Oh, you got two
Right.
open.
Customer
So-
order form.
Yeah.
Delete that, yeah.
Yes.
Right. Done. So create
Click on orders for order table.
order table.
Yeah, just order. Yep. No, then go create a form for that. So form wizard,
Form wizard.
take
Okay.
everything over. So the arrows.
Yep.
Yep. That one. Yep. Then name that as customer order.
Order. Yep. Next.
Yep.
Finish.
Yep.
Or modify form.
Modify form.
Finish.
Because I figured out how to do it now, I think.
Right.
So then we have to take the order. I think we have to do a one for the order products as well, like a form for the.
In here.
So click order products table,
Yeah.
then make a new form for that one.
Okay. Form wizard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then put all of it over, apart from order number.
What order apart from order number?
Yeah.
So just product ID and quantity.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. Next.
Yep.
So you don't
Then
need order number.
no, because we've already got it in
Right.
the top.
Next.
Next. Next.
Modify form design.
Order products form. There you go. Yeah. No,
Hang on.
because we're going to put that one in into the customer order form.
Right, so order product form. Yeah.
Yep.
Finish.
Yep.
Right. So I've got product ID and quantity. So now I have to open up the customer order form
Yes.
in design view.
And then drag
And then drag that one we just made.
into it. So the order production products form thing. Yeah. Or whatever you called it.
Order
Into it.
products form to there. Yeah. And it's not giving me anything.
I know. Really? Mine does.
Give me a blank box.
Yeah, let me just
Have you got to save it?
I didn't.
Can I have your assistant for a couple of minutes again? Are you coming today?
No.
Okay, but I don't know why it's not doing what it was going to do before.
Remember this idea of having a line total here and a grand total in one order. You've still got 4 tables, okay? Now, if we look at the order line table, for example, okay, you can see that you've got a new composite database that can deal with multiple.
The team can have many players, but then you'd also probably also have one coming up here, connected to a box of games, so many players into it.
Yeah, team A, team B, is that what you meant? Or team ID?
Okay, it's getting confusing now again.
I've got another order form subject.
Right, so I
Or
could,
subform. I've got 2 orders. Detail subforms. Just delete them.
the team card, right? So if I would put another box,
Take. Close. Close.
yeah,
Close.
and another one here. I've done it one way. That'd be team 1, that'd be team 0.
Oh, yeah, we'll just ignore it because you have team 5. Team 5 can only be 2 types, yeah? Team could be reserve or main, so it's not one.
Okay.
There we go.
What, have you got it?
Then I'm going to play.
Yeah, but it's not like the one that he's got. It isn't like the form order line one though.
Team
Well,
ID,
You have 2 teams, didn't you?
yeah, team ID will come here as a foreign key.
no, it's just giving me. Yeah. That is it.
But it won't do the drop down box like it is on his one.
Giving me a drop down box.
No, as in like this. It won't be like this, and then when you want to add another one,
Had that key sign,
but then we want to do the one where it has
key sign beside
the prices on it as well. So it'll be
To Map Parks Tutorial Services. Today,
So, usually a foreign key
collection.
is to
so
have
which one's that? That is
depends on the app you
okay. I'm gonna have to download his thing again.
in terms of apps to show you the software to show you foreign key.
So if I close that,
Right, so in
I save that?
Team
Mhm.
Player ID, team ID is the foreign key. Player ID is the
order
foreign key.
products form. On Seuss.
Don't worry about that.
Oh, because it hasn't even given me a rocket
So,
now.
yeah, you're right, actually, the permanent keys are usually gold. You're right. In that, and what they usually do again too is that they do this.
So I've got one that he's got up put on his thing.
Yeah, this kind of. I thought you were doing class.
On here, if I go into that form and design view in the footer,
You're doing this on this. So class will now, you can still convert this to
customer,
class. So that can
employee,
come
staff,
from
whatever it is. The main thing here, you've got your product, service, whatever it is. Main thing, you've got this structure. You order, everything to do with the order, the shipping, the collection, the order date goes in this table. Everything to do with the order product, which is the product line, which is, if you like that, when you get a table underneath an invoice, this is the table that deals with that. Under this structure, obviously you can only have one product being sold at one price. You can't have discounted items. Now, you're only going to store the quantity in this table. Everything else, the line total, okay, and the grand total, you'd work out using queries. Okay, now we're on a low amount of battery power, so I better get a move on. Okay, so here I'm going to show you how to make a query first. So you're going to create a query, you're going to use the design view, you're going to add the relevant tables, and then click close. Once you've done that, you will end up with a query, because I'm in a hurry, that looks something like this. You'll drag the fields up.
Get this player ID of the game.
Get player ID by this, get this like this. Just think about, anyway, let me not confuse you. Finish this, then we'll go to class. And
Right.
you modify the class.
Yeah.
Well, you got it working?
Order number.
Yeah.
3. Choose person, choose your
You were
day.
onto a class diagram, yeah?
So do.
All these things is
Yeah.
right to this here, this section will come in here. All these get set will come in this section.
Then you probably have to do add record or something like that.
So
I don't know how that's going to work.
Attributes,
I think I'm
There'll be a
getting
button.
confused.
Yeah.
methods.
Add that.
Attributes
I'm not sure.
are
I'm going to quickly have a look at this one again.
properties like height, weight, all those things.
So
Methods
colour
are
will be
behaviors.
T. So the field of colours is T.
Right.
Because that's the only
So let me do.
Club will be things like motto, name, ID, registered, get registered, and all those things.
Yeah, but I mean, we're not going to use all.
Or you're trying to see it as a full object, so you understand it better. You're modeling it as a full object.
So that'll be.
So, I mean, for instance, name, it's going to be the desktop.
Yeah, ID.
Is it showing
ID,
your database around your IP, really?
What do you mean?
Because by the sounds of it, they're making a
Other things,
database.
when you
Yeah.
register a club, other things that, other properties that a club does have, address, maybe if you want to keep other valuable information, the chairman,
Right.
how many Lamborghini he's got.
Go on then, Josh, show me what we got.
Yeah, I'm quickly.
At the moment, I'm creating a database diagram.
Yeah, because you've already started in that direction from what I see. And you can see that how your own differs from its own. It's only still got the method thing, so it's more closer to the class diagram. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Yours is still got the methods.
Yeah.
Okay? And he hasn't got the method thing. So it's more onto database,
Why do you
more
want
onto
the
class.
Because of
No, because you just going on the right direction first. Because after you finish that, you just make a copy, start adding the second bit of methods.
So what have I done? Have I got 2 in 1?
No, you've got what he's going to be doing later.
But he's going to be doing a separate one, so that means I've got
But
one.
yeah,
one.
but what you're doing now is what I'll be doing later, and what I'm doing now is what you're going to be doing later.
Exactly. So you guys started in a zigzag way.
So, what we do, if only get me turned to blind eye for a minute, what we do, you talk about how I can do that, we modify it.
Yeah. Or he can easily still, since it's not too far, but he can still join you, do your own, and then you guys create a copy, then go again, the same line, modify it. Yeah.
It's not doing the bloody hash.
Hash.
No, the star. It's doing a bloody
8.
Jai's examples.
Shift 8.
yeah. Shift 8. It's doing a little box thing.
There you go.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, to me it looked like a bloody up arrow. I need to change the screen resolution on this.
Right.
That's better. That's clearer for me now. Yeah, there we go. I can see it now. I thought rice. No. Sell price times quantity. Okay, I've got this one.
And you'll have these fields here. Now, the next thing you do is you type this formula, line total, colon, and that creates an extra field, price in square brackets times quantity in square brackets. Now, if you were referring to a different table, you put the name of the table in square brackets and then an apostrophe. This query here will be used.
I don't get what that means.
So if we're referring to a different table, price, it's still line total price times quantity, colon.
But you don't have to put that because it will work anyway, because you just change that price to sell price, and then it's going to do it in from the sell price times the quantity, what it does on here.
But where's it picking it up from products? It's not. You've got to have it pick up from products table.
Oh, you have to do a query for...
No, look, go back a bit in this video. Go to about here.
And then an apostrophe. This query
Well
here
done.
Just
will be
lock my
used
computer.
to make a subform, a form
No.
for the line total. Okay? So the next thing you do, so we've done the first
John.
step.
Unlock.
Then you would follow through the wizard to make an order form. Okay, so you'd put very
Sorry,
simply,
you're gonna unlock it?
click on TBL order, create, and then follow the wizard through to make, which I'm not going to do because obviously you know to follow the wizard. So you'd
That's about here.
Then you would follow through the wizard to make an order form. Okay, so you'd put very simply, click on TBL order, create, and then follow the wizard through to make, which I'm not going to do because obviously you know how to follow the wizard. So you follow through the wizard to make an order form. Once you've made the order form, okay, you would want to go into design view on it, and the tool you'd use is this one here, which makes a subform. When you click on the subform, and I'm going to click there and cancel, you're obviously going to do it down here. You're going to bind it to the form that you've made for the order line, and I'm going to click cancel there, and make sure the keys are connected. Okay. Once you've done that, okay, we're not going to save those changes. You will have created the subform. Okay, now
For the line
when you
total
create the
query, but it's
subform,
not a query, it's
you'd
a
like
form.
to work out the
Right.
grand total. So
Just
you'll
ignore
notice
it
that
a
we
minute.
used a query to work out the grand total. On here, if I go into that form in design view, in the footer, you'll notice I've got
Okay, I got
the
it.
text tool. I've dragged the footer down to do that. Okay, dragged it down. Okay, and I've used the AB tool to create a text box, and then I've put in equals sum, open a brackets, and then square brackets, line total, close the square brackets, close the curly brackets, and that works out my grand total. Now if I want to, I can click on that field, I can go to properties of that field, and I can go to the type of data, and I can select, I want to select currency here, so if I go to format, and I can select currency, and then the output of that will be displayed as currency. Close that subform, and now when I open up the order form, you'll notice that the line total is being calculated in the subform, and indeed the grand total is being calculated there. Now I'm going to quickly show you whilst we're here how to get rid of those buttons which you don't need. So if I go into design view and I click up here and I go to properties, okay, I make the navigation buttons and the record selectors on no, and that hides those quite nicely. And then when I open the form, having saved my changes, you'll notice I've got a nice neat layout here, and it works out the subtotal, and my command buttons, which I'll show you how to use later, can go in there. Now let's just show you this working, okay? I'll go to make a fresh record. I'm going to select one of my people.
Oh, come on.
I'm going to put in today's date.
Where's that bit?
What bit?
And then I'm going to select a random.
It's already been, like, we're nearly at the end of the video.
quantity.
Oh, right.
Creates an extra
Right.
fields here. Now,
Right,
the
so
next
this
thing you
bit.
do is you type this formula, line total, colon.
Price. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
what
it's
is
getting the
sale
price,
price?
from which is sale price on ours. Yeah. He's then timesing that
Creates
Yeah,
an
by.
extra field, price in square brackets, time
So he's timesing that by the quantity.
Yeah.
to quantity.
Yeah.
in
But he
square
hasn't told
brackets.
it where to get those price and quantities from. He hasn't told him a folder. If you listen to what he says now,
If you were referring to a different table, you'd put the name of the table in square brackets and then an apostrophe.
full
So you'd put the name of the table in square brackets. So you're wanting to get the name of your
thing.
It doesn't explain it that
table
well,
from
does it?
products.
Wait, if I do that as a capital, cause... Okay, let me just do it without...
Right.
Just, you do that. So we got this bit.
Yes.
That's the one query that we did have a lot of doing. Update. Yeah, no go.
Why have you got stars at the top?
I don't know. I always got stars.
I just wonder what they were about.
One destination people worried about.
It's gone. You've got rid of the total price.
Yeah, no. Yeah, because that's mine at the moment. I can do order date, employee,
So there's 3 different charts
Product.
that you need to do. There's class chart,
form 2,
simulation
quantity
diagram chart,
7.
and database chart. All different charts.
But you need to do ones for like what he did, like for line.
Yeah, next lot, next
Yeah.
lot, next lot.
Because we're getting, you came over. with-
So do we need to just duplicate, go to your design view,
That's why I
on that?
want you to actually finish
do
it.
you not just need to duplicate
Yeah, I know.
This one
that?
you did, yeah? That one.
To like highlight and edit copy, edit copy, edit copy.
It reveals a lot in terms of primary key. In fact, at an advanced level, it
Now
shows
view
you
that.
website for each
No,
one.
no, I haven't coded it yet.
Relationship diagram.
No, this is it. Now, the entity relationship diagram is just you getting rid of all these
Make that
things.
larger.
Yeah, you have it triangle.
Paste it into a footer and see what happens.
Yeah?
Right.
The class diagram is you adding those methods
What?
under each of these.
In what way is it better?
put it at the foot.
No, I hasn't added it as a-
Hmm?
Oh wait, no, it'll be customer order form.
About the methods and why you think about, oh, I'm going to be using this method, I'm going to be using
So which one should we do first?
This one I'm doing.
this one. Then after you create a copy, yeah, of this, and keep it for class diagram. And
Now go to design view.
of this for the entity relationship.
Again.
Which one should I use for a relationship schema?
Move them up from the footer
Database.
into the details
Yeah, but you remove the part. That's why it's
Yeah, so
a relation or entity relationship.
underneath.
UML.
Right, move them down.
So, in team, would I have a
Now view that folder.
sub ID team?
But it's just gonna do. It's different thing that he's done. Now let me just.
This query here will be used to make a subform form for the line total. Okay? So the next thing you do, so we've done the first step, then you follow through the wizard to make an order form. Okay, so you'd very simply click on TBL order, create, and then follow the wizard through to make, which I'm not going to do because obviously you know how to follow the wizard. So you'd follow through the wizard to make an order form. Once you've made the order form, okay, you would want to go into design view on it, and the tool you'd use is this one here, which makes a subform. When you click,
Oh.
Have you got it?
It's just clicked in my head now. I hope.
Delete.
Please say I am recording this. Because. Yes. 28 minutes, cool. We have to make. So I'm going to do that query again because I don't know where it's gone.
What query?
The query that we did before.
What order form?
Yeah, the order form one.
So this one.
Yeah, the one with like the 2 bits on it, and then it goes. The one that does all the total bits and that. So the.
So this line total.
Yeah, the line total one.
Sale price. Mhm.
It is.
Are we changing the names of them?
Oh, yeah. Change, basically do what you're doing. Sell price. Product.
If anybody wants to do work,
Order number. Product ID. Product name. Quantity.
Yeah, product ID
Sale price.
will be the product name, so it'll be.
But I've already got product ID and product name.
Yeah, because it'll be the ID plus the product name, unless you just want to do the product ID.
Product ID.
Because the product ID is the just like numbers.
What? One's like that.
No,
Order number, product ID, product name, quantity.
yeah, because product ID is literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the product name is what it is.
Yeah. Which I've already had for ages.
Yeah. Well, 9 total
Space.
dot space
Open.
bracket sell price close star that one.
Quantity. TITY.
Quantity and then show. So now, because we make, so I save that as line total, no, order line total, order line, like that.
Order line type.
Yeah, then from the query we make a form to go into another form. This is so hard.
Line total. Right. So I've done that.
Yeah, have you renamed it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now make a form from the query. So click the fit query, then go create form wizard. There we go. Hey, there we go. What's this? X.
What? So you click the query.
Hang on. Hang on. No, I need to. This one query quantity. Why is that XPR11 whatever it is? No.
Wizard. Order line total. I've got order number, product ID, product name, sale, quantity, sale price, line total.
Yeah, mine come up really weird.
Who's wrong with it?
I know that.
So I haven't looked into it at all today, guys.
Yeah, I know. It's been quite pleasant, really.
So they all go across then.
Yeah, but look, I got look XPR. What's this? Sale price. It's all like gone weird. It's always like this.
No. I haven't created it
Look,
yet.
look, and then if I do
Does
it,
it all go across, yeah?
no. Go to your query. Just open up the query. Like close it, close, and then just open up the query.
No.
How's yours is exactly the same, while mine's like oh. It didn't like my thing.
No one knows.
Line total.
What's the difference between a primary key and a foreign key?
Primary key is used to define something, so it's like an auto number, and then a secondary key is a primary key in another table, and that's what links it.
Yeah, it's right.
But then you can also have two primary keys in one form to make it into a. It's yeah, composite, and it's confusing, but I've got my head around it finally, again.
I was charging on my one by the looks of it.
Yeah. Basically, because he's doing it in Access, that Access gives him the relational schema and as well gives him the database and the table automatically.
You cheated.
You cheated? Yeah.
No, I didn't cheat.
Yeah, you got ELD.
No, it's D3.
Yeah, no, but I mean, if you were doing, OOP, they're doing OOP.
Yeah.
Yeah, you would write ELD from the, knowing the relationship, just sketch it out. Yeah. So if you go to OOP, you can still approach it this way.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do. I was going to use the database in Access for my OOP and then just have front end with
some forms.
Yeah.
So hang on, so in one of my boxes, I've got about 6 primary keys and that's it. I have to have that information.
Yeah,
6 primary keys, I'll be worried.
Yeah. Does it have a little? Does it have the key next to it?
Right. Let's get this done.
Yeah, we're nearly done anyway. Okay, let me just do quantity. It didn't like when I.
Definitely need team.
Because I haven't got that. Mine's come up fine.
What, you got this? The sale price times quantity.
Yeah, I've got my line total. I've got my product ID, which is AMDRX480.
Yeah.
My product name, AMDRX480. My quantity, none. Sale price, 230. Line total,
Yep.
0.
Now I need to save. Open it up. I'm still getting a EXPR1002.
What have you called? What is that?
I don't know. Look, but and then I've got line total as well. So I do have look, and then I've got preform, so I can redo that, and then line total is 3000. So it's working now. The line total query is
It's
working.
just your product ID.
But that's what I mean. So in games, I've got team
Oh.
player ID. You know what they're
Product ID, product name. What's
Product
this
name.
one meant to be?
This one is. Oh, okay, I got it.
Go back to your design view.
Yeah, design view. I bug it up.
Yeah.
Product name.
Sale price.
Oh wait, I need order product ID. I don't need the product name because the product ID is the name.
Is the name.
So I can get rid of that.
Now go back to view.
Run it. But then I've still got
That's price. That's something to do with the price. Go
no
back.
sell price.
Go back. Sale price.
Sale
quantity.
price,
You got sale price twice.
Ah, that's why.
Now put this back in.
Yeah, that one.
Run.
Yeah, because then I can have 2 names on it, or because my product ID is the names of
Product.
yeah, is like the products. So I don't need that one. I don't need product name on my one. Don't need that. There you go. Boom.
Right.
Quantity, sale price. Yeah, you're getting there.
Smell me.
So
So all the numbers.
yeah. Oh yeah, you got. I don't have order. Oh, that's why I didn't. That's what I didn't have. I didn't have order number. I need to do that one as product ID. Then this one as order number.
But he said, not every
There we go.
Right.
Order number 1, product ID 7. Wait, 7? Wait, what?
Product quantity. That should be not ID.
Yeah. Products. I know, product ID has to come out of the order products one.
Can you just pass us on this, please?
No, seriously. Club address is. So if club address isn't used throughout the whole thing, you don't need it.
No, because I'll give you an
Yeah, it's working now. I got order number.
Now you need to come out.
Yeah,
Get
cool.
these drop down boxes.
What, yours don't have drop downs?
Just give me.
Oh, okay. We got to do the thing that we did before with relationships.
Right.
So go to. Oh, it might be in the actual design view on here.
Yeah, see the difference.
So product ID.
So we just need stadium.
Stadium will come in when you do mass trading, connect.
That would be
But what I'm trying to say is to
relationship.
stop
So
it
because
getting
we've got.
confusing, we don't need club address because it's never going to be used.
No, you're not working on what is going to be used and what's not going to be used. You classifying it as an object.
I have no idea how mine's working, really.
You get what I mean? Like,
Okay, get on with it.
however,
Yeah,
when you say
so
it's
we
not
don't
going
need
to
to
use,
do
what
that,
if you
so
decide to
that's
do
fine.
another app later
Product
to
ID.
attach this and you need that address?
Is that one? It'll be that one. So delete that relationship.
I mean, you may decide not to insert anything, But it won't cost you much to just create a column for it.
Then go from
You see?
here to
Yeah, but it
here.
just makes it more
So
confusing
it'll be
to hide
table design.
No, it's not complex. It's just one
Yeah,
of
the
them.
the more options you have, the more complex
The
it
number,
will get.
wasn't it?
And it's not going to be you.
Well, look up wizard.
No,
Come on.
I won't say let's try column will be
Look up
complex.
wizard.
Again, it depends on
Yes.
how you want to
This is
approach
product
it.
ID. You want it
But think about the
for.
specification and the description
your part-
and the
PC
grades
parts.
again too. Because
But
those
then
are
you
the
do
extra
product
marks
name.
and all those things while you. Yeah.
There you go. Product name. There we go.
Right. Yeah.
Next. Enable data integrity.
Finish.
Yes. Now. Yeah. So order number, just redo it and then go product ID. Now it should be run it. Table.
Instead of team ID in Teams.
Yeah, because Access is awful.
Team ID should be.
But so it's actually a really good
in
program, but
Just
as from
yeah. So you should have a drop down box on here.
the team.
And then that will automatically update.
right.
If you want it, keep it like that.
So how would
So
I,
that
for
should
instance, if I was to
Yeah.
be in this
have extra product added to go in my product ID?
Yeah.
Well, you made a mistake. Well, the thing is,
But the product ID is basically the product ID, but it's getting it from the name, but it's the product ID.
Team ID.
Right.
So that's what the customer will see. They see product ID.
How do I out the quantity?
Quantity, you just
So that
Um,
team ID
Because
there
you've got it.
should actually
5.
be a
Right.
key.
then okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, did it update?
Yep. 7.
Okay.
7.
Give me your two most confusing table and let
There
me
you go, yeah,
illustrate the
just done
example on the board and then you illustrate the
So
rest.
that's working.
Start from the beginning.
So now if I
You know,
go
you know what it is, right? I've got a box.
30.
Right.
It will take a bit of time to update.
Have you taken photos?
Click on the database. There we go. 6,000. Yeah.
Oh.
There we go.
If you
Well,
want
hey,
to, you can
now-
always
Right,
load up the main
now
computer
we have to make a form
IO.
off.
Link
You always
into
load up
that.
the main
No,
computer
yeah, link into
or
this.
IO on the board.
So do I save this now?
Yeah, save it because it's working.
Save, yeah?
Yeah.
You tried to say that my handwriting is bad. Yeah?
So now.
Joy, do I not
Wait
need to
till I
link
get
this to
PhD,
product
you won't be
ID
able
on
to
here
read
now?
even
Yeah.
Still have
Yeah, it should do.
relationship.
Yeah. So,
Actually, I'll just go new relationship. Actually,
Edit relationship.
create new
Club.
You're going from
PC.
table, PC,
Right.
parts.
whatever you call it, I just call it
No,
CID
PC
35.
parts. PC
Club
parts.
name,
So
club address,
So
club
it'll
phone
be product ID.
to
Order products. Product ID.
Okay.
And
Okay.
owner.
Why is that not one to many?
Because I need
And
to
even
edit.
maybe facts, yeah? Whatever you want to add, keep adding on. Yeah? Now,
Edit.
But,
No, that shouldn't have fucked anything up.
Right, so now if I close that,
Yeah.
primary key in club.
yes.
Now click on order line to form. Don't open it.
Right.
Just click on it.
I just want to check if it hasn't fucked up my form. So
I've
7.
done database before. So
7 at 2:30. Yep,
Now
that's working fine.
do
0.
yeah.
All of the time,
Right.
one
Yep.
box,
Now what am I doing? Create.
and then
No, are you clicked on order line title?
Would you not put club
That's a
ID?
query. That's a query. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. Just highlight it. Then go create form wizard.
So I don't want to open it, no?
No,
Right.
Create
form wizard.
form wizard.
Then copy everything over.
Down to players.
Everything over.
Next.
Next. Column.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Modify form design.
Yeah. Finish.
Yeah.
You know, this must hurt, Annie, yeah. Studying your PhD
Right.
and come back to basics.
Then drop everything down.
Look at that face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where's the product?
You know, play
Go
right
into a
here.
new
Hang on.
table,
Multi-product.
the name of the table,
It'll come up in a minute.
square brackets, and then in a
But what about if you want to know what player?
bearing.
Because like if you come here, the way that he's done it is
What club?
So he's reordered these,
Right.
and then we do the grand total down here. So
So the line total,
yeah, so that
which is here.
Yeah.
Just take down there.
No. That's for each line,
Oh, right.
and then you got the grand total. So it'll be
What do we
equals
say? Nested query.
sum
Yeah.
Select this where this.
open curly bracket thingy.
So it's the ABC button, isn't it?
And then
Yeah.
start having on the player first name, player last name. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you do other ones too and link.
So what, after that you then go to like game on.
Grand total. What is
Game
it?
on.
Line total.
Yeah, we had calendar.
A calendar. Then
It's
another one.
equals sum curly bracket square bracket
Yeah.
line
So when
total.
you finish
Sum.
drawing, always think again in real life. How would this happen? What attributes would you need to hold?
Open
in this
bracket.
table? What's it now?
Is that a curly bracket?
What?
The one beside that.
Yeah, it goes curly
Square.
square line total square curly, and that goes into this footer one. So then you have to just
Early.
order number. What do we have to do? Order number? Because we've got. Okay, we can delete order number off this bit
And then
Why?
because we don't need it. Because it should be in the customer order form is the order number.
Right. So just delete that, yeah.
Yeah. Well, we could do it out of the order number. So get rid of it from the actual query.
Right. So just leave it for now.
Yeah, leave it, and then we can hopefully amend it later. If not, then we've got that. I'm just gonna move them all over now. So, like, move them to be all nice and pretty looking, like all on one line. Line total should be there. Oh yeah, we have to redo the. We have to go properties on line total and then do it as.
Boxes, they're going to be really, really long.
Yeah.
Wait, which ones?
Try doing database.
Well, yours is technically database.
Yeah, if you're doing database for class, we're doing RP for class.
You know why he's doing that? So that when it's time, you can piggyback on ideas. So you also need to really get that one right.
2 hours, we're nearly done. We're getting there. Format.
I don't like all mine for like specific
Right.
Currency.
We're adding that now, yeah.
23
What have I got read it now?
Edit the line total box to be currency.
But isn't players going to link to game on, and calendar? And then calendar's going to link with game on,
Yeah, so,
and game one's going to link with games.
And what do I change?
yeah, obviously,
So it'll be format,
I mean,
format,
games exist
then currency,
in isolation.
English currency because we're in
Yeah,
England.
until you play
The greatest
game, which is
country.
game on.
And then I'm just gonna make it all on one line,
Right.
like all on one line.
Game on will
But then I'm
probably
also
have
going
player,
to, from the looks of it, he's done it so then
and the game
like
ID
this
there.
form order
I'm
one.
really confused now.
Why? Because you got two, don't he?
He's got 2 boxes.
Yeah, no, that's because that is the customer order form, and he's nested that into it.
Oh, so
We haven't gotten that far yet.
We're not nesting yet.
No, we're not nesting yet.
Right, okay.
We're just creating this to make it look pretty.
Right.
How
So,
does that work out then?
You will see how it works out when you start your setting. When it doesn't show you error, boom, boom. You know that kind of that sound that is annoying.
My brain's got an error.
Yeah. When I was teaching level 2 access and they were arguing this thing with me, I told them, okay, design it first, the way you feel. And when they saw the mistake, they were like, oh, they went back and
So how is player ID a primary key? It's not in the same box.
yeah. Because that game on table is introduced as a tertiary, you call it tertiary relationship or intermediary, yeah, to help uniquely identify the player that played on a game, in a game.
Right.
So, like I said, look at you play golf, right?
Mm.
Yeah. Let's assume you don't play golf. You are calling yourself a golf player now. Golf exists. The whole details of that game, yeah? What is your relationship to golf? Nothing. game on. Luca is coming to play this game. Happening so day, happening in this venue. What game? Golf. Golf ID, Luca ID. Join in game on. Luca played so golf on so day.
Right.
See the difference? Yeah.
Yeah. I'm getting there slightly.
And I think, by the way, golf is a lazy man's game, so pick a better sport next time you see.
Would you like to repeat that?
I didn't think I said anything.
So form line sum. Do we have to do that? I think we do.
Right, now I want to go
Hang
to golf.
on.
Really?
That's irritating.
Play football
Why? Run around.
and make some money.
Make more money playing golf.
I know, but
And you don't play it much. And you travel the world even more than football players.
you have more chances of getting selected in football because there are a lot of players
I
required.
know, but you play on your own in golf, you ain't got to interact with anyone.
I've become like Tiger Woods.
Come like Tiger Woods,
Is that it?
skin.
Then the way you do it is you copy these all over, and you move them up to the footer as well.
What?
Because if you look on this one, oh no, not that one.
On this one.
Yeah, basically this one. It's in the footer. It's in the footer, and it's in the main body. But then on the this stays here, so it's in the header.
Right, so
Look, so look, I got it here. I got it up here. The one that he's using.
So under the game
These.
box, which have game ID as the primary key as well.
Oh, you changed it to orange.
Under the game on, yeah.
How do you do that?
paste.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, if you do it like that, I'm doing all mine on one line because it looks neater. Because instead of having massive boxes, it's just one line, one order, one product.
Okay.
Do I have to do form line total sum? No, because that's line total. Is that literally from the query from this?
Where was I? Customer order. No. What was we just doing?
Oh no, I know what he's done. They're the headers what are in the header, like they're the titles. They're not actually the parts. They're just the like order form header and that. So if I
Sorry.
yeah, what?
I'm lost.
Hang on, let me do this and then
What
I'll.
was we just editing?
We were just edit.
Order products one.
Yeah. No, order line total.
Right.
Is it coming up with, or did no? I would get rid of those
Right.
from the. So if you have a look, I did it wrong.
Design view.
So these, you know, the little like boxes
Yeah.
that's up here. So then that stays where it is, but then it just does more.
Ah, right.
So then it just keeps going and going and going and going and going.
Right. So how'd you split them up?
Hover, click them,
Yeah.
and then cut. No, you have to cut and paste. So cut, and then paste it.
Alright, let's think all my arrows.
There you go. And then just drag them to where you want them. And then the grand sum total will be underneath here. Yeah. Now, if I do this, it should form view. Then it should come up with a new one. Or will it? No, I don't think it will. Sell price, line total, order. Why is that grand total 600? Okay. Okay, I want to do quantity of 56. That should update. You're not updating, you're not updating, you're not updating.
Right, honey, yes.
You're not updating, dating. You're not updating.
Anyway, you are going to end up with us three in the back.
Cancel. You're obviously going to do it down here. You're going to bind it to the form that you've made for the order line. I'm going to click cancel there and make sure the keys are connected. Okay. Once you've done that, okay, we're not going to save those changes. You will have created the outs to do that. Okay, dragged it down. Okay, and I've used the AB tool to create a text box, and then I've put in equals.
Then from there, you modify it. You can even just come to the player.
Just move the boxes down and then top left. See the next one. Players, next one's back. Cool. And then down from that, we've got game on, bottom left.
Wait, hey, there we go.
On bottom right. So put
Got it working.
I have most of it working, but it's not updating the grand total, so...
So open a brackets and then square brackets, line total, close the square brackets, close the curly brackets, and that works out my grand total. Now if I want to, I can click on that field, I can go to properties in that field, and I can go to the type data, and I can select what to select.
That's fine.
Output of that will be displayed as currency. Close that subform. And now when I open up the order form, you'll notice that the line total isn't being calculated in the subform, and indeed the grand total is being calculated there. Now I'm going to quickly show you whilst we're here how to get rid of those buttons.
Okay, let's... Are you ready to move it over, or...? Not yet.
Putting the last few,
Oh my god!
putting the last few finishing touches tomorrow. Shit.
So, do you have calendar ID there?
Because I think I've copied you.
Oh yeah.
Didn't I copied and pasted it?
But if you decide to
But
do
because
that
I
way,
copied and pasted and it was all
Oh, calendar ID.
Paste.
I've got players going to game on and game. That's how I feel.
Calendar ID will come in there as a foreign key.
Right, so hang on a minute. So what's the fucking point of the game? What's the point of the game box then?
Because we had game first, but it won't work. You need game on as well.
Yeah.
Yeah? So if you ask that question, you might as well ask the same question for the player.
Yeah, but I don't understand what game is.
Okay, let me give you an example what the advantage of game.
There.
Now think about
Are you there?
this. Yeah?
On there.
Think about this. How many golf competitions
your-
do they have?
Yeah, I understand
Okay, now
game
go
on.
into
I understand you've got game
view.
on, game on, but game's linked to game on. Nothing goes no to the game, is it?
Now, do a product.
And he said it wouldn't work with just games. So
Like,
we
or
need
just
another
do-
table called game on that went in between.
Think
Then...
about game. How many golf competitions do we have?
Why is it... There we go. You might have to
No, how many
click
golf competitions do we have?
the box down there, and it
That,
might...
let's say a player
Doing
like
it?
Wood can participate.
Put 0 in there.
Many.
They have many.
Did you do the equals
Exactly.
sum?
In a year.
I believe so.
You know, just like tennis, they have different. Yeah. So games can hold those kind of names of competitions in a year.
Bracket.
And the player can play. Give the idea of.
It might be that we need
Now,
to
not
do
like
a...
calendar,
Is
you
it
need
because
to put
there isn't a
things
form
apart from
or a
the date,
query
the
for it?
venue,
There isn't
the
a query
teams,
to line
yeah?
table, is there?
Yeah.
The,
Right,
the opponents. Who are they playing against?
Line total...
Yeah?
Because
Welcome to the job of
doesn't
the
know where
DBA.
to grab
Next
line.
time you click
Grand
submit
total doesn't
tab.
know
Yeah,
where
yeah,
to
it doesn't-
grab
yeah, look.
line
UK.
table.
Remember that this is a
But I still don't understand.
It needs to grab the information from the line table.
Yeah, so we need to do a query for query, I think.
Because maybe there's...
Because this is coming from table query line total. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I see your confusion.
Yeah.
You're saying if
So we need to
something
do
is
a,
only related to it,
another
only
query.
one entity,
How do
why
I get
does it
extra
exist?
boxes?
Yeah.
What do you mean
Well,
extra
look at
boxes?
that thing related to just one entity.
That will come up,
Yeah, no, I understand.
because
that,
it's a
but you've
form,
got game on,
it will come up once you've done it into another form. It should update,
along with
hopefully.
your game venue
If it doesn't,
date and
then...
time.
No.
No?
It's an order form, isn't it?
Yeah, we've got it order, it'll... Because it won't be a table, so we've got to do a query from the query.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
This
Oh
doesn't
my
hold
god.
venue.
Create,
This doesn't hold venue. This doesn't hold
query
venue.
wizard,
This doesn't hold venue.
Then go to queries, order
Where am I
line.
doing this from?
Just go new query.
Where's this at?
Yeah. Well, I'm leaving mine open because it shouldn't affect it that much.
say changes, yes.
So you confuse yourself. That's why you got into that question of why do we have
Create. Query wizard or
Yeah. Query design.
query design?
Then go do query. Then do order line total.
Order line total.
Add. That's all what we need from that one.
Yeah.
Now we need to do in the little field bit. We need order ID. So it'll be order night.
Close this, yeah.
What? Yeah.
Close it.
Yeah. Close it. Order line total.
Order line total.
And then sort by. Oh, well, not yet. We can't do that yet. Then in the next one it'll be line total.
I've got order line total. Oh, line total.
Yeah, line total.
Yeah.
I don't know why not.
Would it not now be
I think you have to say it is.
some?
No, wait. It should do it automatically because it's group by. Select an item in the list or a. So what? Why is that?
Access to do these databases.
Why is that coming up like that? That's weird.
Access to do your OOP, use access to do your database.
Okay, let me have a look at
So much easier.
order ID.
You're going to be writing a lot of lines of code to store and retrieve.
Why is it order? Yeah, order number. Text entered isn't an item in the list. Hmm?
If it locks out potato 31,
You have everything you need now.
With a capital P.
kind of flag it.
I want to try and get this done. I'm trying to get this done.
We're so close.
Nearly there.
We're so close. Well, you're doing a back end now, aren't you, of OOP?
We're just designing.
Yeah, but you put in the,
What in?
We're just doing a design map
Oh, okay.
for it.
You can do that in Visio.
Yeah, we're in Visio.
So, let me query invoice, query line total. That'll be Patrick's stuff, some of it. So put it down there, and then if he's in tomorrow, just put it down there for now. Yeah, just put it down there for now.
Throw it.
When the cleaners.
No, for now, because I'm doing database stuff at the moment. Yeah, just put it there. I'll sort it out in a minute.
Do you want to, Luke, do you want one?
No, I wouldn't know right now.
Not right now.
No.
One here until 5.
It's the only thing that I'm starting down.
TM product.
Yeah.
So why does that come up with
Yeah. Yeah.
this one? No, this one. Yeah.
Just for the project specification, I just copied my unit 2.
Single query.
Yeah, so you've got one query there,
Yeah.
like this. And it should have order ID.
Start, order number.
Yeah, order number.
Product name, quantity, sale.
Yeah.
Don't worry about that.
But all we need out of it is,
Order line total.
yeah, line total. It'll be, that should be not sorted, but then that'll be
One that you normally do for D2.
sum.
Yeah.
No,
Well, yes and no. I was going to put the project Gantt chart in as well under the section to show the
sum. Why isn't sum not working? Okay.
Don't you have to create one? That's like
Sum
equals line total times.
No, because we've already got line total though. This is,
You've got to have exports per program.
wait,
You need baseline, you need contingencies. Well, you've got contingency because everyone's in some.
Because we really need a grand total.
what?
Yeah, I can't find my bill specification.
No, we need it.
Does it say?
Yeah. It needs a total price for the orders and everything.
It gives you a total price.
And then it will have no. Just do this. Just do this at the moment. So this is the query postcode. Don't need that one because that's the query line total subform. So this is
Yeah, so you
What's in these footer?
is a complex
nothing. This is literally what we've done.
that merges.
Yeah.
So we've done that one. I can close that one.
Be successful with the second project.
Then form line total is what we're doing at the moment. And So this should add new ones every time there's a new. So if I go like that, and then it will add another one.
Right.
Hopefully, if it works, once we do it, once it's in the, it's all connected.
Table, yeah.
Hopefully.
Right. Then we've got
Line totals.
Sun. Yeah, design.
I don't line total. I don't know where that's coming from though. I don't know where it's.
I am working. Can I leave this more than I'm not coming home till Wednesday night. I'm running a pub for a friend.
Maybe it's literally just line total for this one.
Kind of thing.
Is that a text box?
A little bit this up there.
Yeah.
Half term next week,
Yeah.
Yeah, text box.
So they don't have to be in before the after. So it's on the other end. Get back.
yeah? Yeah, no, that's absolutely fine.
We were agreed. So that my deadline's after term.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you did say.
I'll do a check of how everyone's done on that first sort of day back. I think it's 5th of June.
Is this place open after?
Yes.
Yeah, me and you will come in.
Yeah.
Are you going to uni next week?
We'll see how everyone's doing on that
You
Monday
travelling
when I
up
get
north to
back.
go to uni?
Yeah.
If necessary, I might even push it back again to the following Friday, the first week get back. And the reason I say that is because on the HE calendar,
I'll be in Thursday.
on the HE calendar, teaching stops on all campuses
Yeah.
on the 5th of June.
Yeah.
Now that to me sounds like workshop time. That's,
Yeah.
Everyone's got to get their stuff.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
final.
yeah, that's final.
So I'd be inclined to push that because
Can you say that to Anieti as well? Like get Anieti to push his stuff back as well, or? Well, to be honest, me and Dan will get it all done by tomorrow, hopefully.
Just got OOP.
Yeah, just OOP, and then that's.
Yeah.
But it's getting OOP, the thing designed, written up, as well as this database one.
But Anieti's assignments on Moodle say 30th of May.
Yeah, so we're absolutely fine running it.
Actually said 25th. So.
Oh, did you change them?
Change them.
That's what I go on 25th.
Yeah, but you didn't change my Moodle. What's that about Moodle days?
Really?
Yeah, we need an extra 4 days. Right.
Line totals. So. Okay, let's see. Okay, we've got this. We can't do sort at the moment.
Could you not do equals?
What? So it'll be like
Well, actually, I'd like to point out when I went round to Richmond,
equals.
Line total.
do you think I was a lot more clued up that night? A lot more concentrated.
Yeah, that's what you need.
I mean, an ashtray next to me.
Times.
No, it won't. Oh. No, it won't.
Alright, have a nice
And I've just got rid of. Okay.
Control Z. Okay.
Oh, okay. New query from here. What was it? It was from here, wasn't it? Lord and I. Yeah, it was a query of a query.
Yes.
Yeah, because. Hang on, let me get rid of all of this. On this one. I'll move it over here because then the recording can see it. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
can't, I can just see your face.
Microphone. Yeah. Just makes it easier. Get rid of it. Then get a little order for. Okay, that's different. That's. No. So, if I just open up all the queries, enter passcode. That's new. Password. Password. Okay, that's a postcode, so we don't need that one. Or is that the invoice password? So we don't need passcode.
So that's what that X by 1,000
Yeah,
was.
it was weird. And then line total one, sum of line total order ID. So that's the code. There we go.
Select query line.
Line total order ID sum group by line total order
Sum
ID.
open bracket.
Okay, let me. So we need another query. Yeah, it was another query, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Create
query.
query wizard from this query to order line.
Total. Alright.
Now-
Then you want to highlight.
No, I just need to go here and then go SQL for you, and then change the names. this one, SQL view. So, select table order product.
So select table order.
Order products, basically the same, but it's so select
Order products.
and then change this order
And the P.
product order ID. It wouldn't be order ID, it'll be product ID.
Yeah. Would it be?
Yeah, it'd be product ID. Let me just open up the order products. Yeah, it is from the order product. Wait, order product. Yeah, it's basically. So order products.
Hold on, guys. This is the first time, to be honest, that I've seen Jai concentrate on one thing, fixated, serious, and doing
But to be honest, I like databases. That's I'm weird. I like databases.
Go write the DBA exam, go for it. Seriously. The jobs are easier to get, but trust me, if you don't like having a line,
Let me just.
teaching is tough, teaching is not tough. Go be a DBA.
Okay, so yeah, I've got one more lesson break.